Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. We are about to show you a tutorial for the F800 and F800 Adventure. Hope you like it. So this is for the F800 Adventure 13 on. This tutorial fits the purposes for those who need to know how to put the decals for the F800 and the F800 Adventure, as both bikes share the same center and side tanks. When you are about to place a decal in the right place, as in this case, first you should press lightly, just in case you need to replace the sticker again. Once you recognize that is the right position, then you just go strongly on the finger from center to the left or right, slowly, to avoid the bubbles. Always very important to avoid the bubbles. But if you do see small bubbles, do not worry, because nature will provide the rest, and in 3-4 weeks bubbles will disappear. In case that you have a big bubble, just pinch it where precisely, if it's possible, on top of the letters, because like this you will not see where you did pinch, and slowly you will recognize that is no problem. It's quite easy to put so far. And this could be in fact, the only part that could be considered moderate in terms of how difficult it is to put it. So again, the finger is pointing where the groove in the tank is, and then the next one is this one. We place the masking tape, and after we peel off again, we bend the paper back, and from that point we go forward. But always very important, where is right now pressing the fingers, pointing from that way up. Very important to start from this part of the tank. And then the procedure is very simple and basic. And as well, to mention, the shape of this tank is exactly like the 0800, as this one is the 0800 Adventure. So this video is valid for both of them. And as well, if you find any bubbles, not to worry about it. You will only need 3 to 4 weeks, and the bubbles will go. So there we go again, checking where the finish of the sticker goes. We fold the paper, we mark it, and we check if the edges of the sticker go precisely with the side of the tank where you want to be finished. You place the sticker and you hold it with masking tape. You peel off and you follow the direction. In this case, we are going forward. We are going north, call it. As we are sitting on the bike, right now we are going towards the front. We go slowly. Right now we are on the east side of the world. For this reason we are looking into China, the Indian Ocean, and so on. In the center tank we have Africa, and on the left side of the tank we will find the west of the world. That goes without heat. Bear in mind that always we are going to be always affected by the temperature of the plastic. We apply these stickers In a very cold day, the plastic is as well cold, and it will not facilitate the operation. So we could use something to heat it up if we have this kind of days, or if not, we have patience and we go for a day that is sunny. And this is the tutorial for the F800. And as I repeat before, because the center tank and side area share the same size for the F800 and the F800 Adventure, only here, as you see, is the stickers for the F800, as the F800 Adventure hasn't got the possibility to put these stickers on. And in case, at the time of applying it, you realize there is a small bubble somewhere that is difficult now to take it out, just for peace of mind, nature always provides a solution. Heat of the ambience will make the bubble to disappear as long as it is small. If it's a big one, my solution to the problem is to pinch it with a needle or with the cutter. If it's possible, on top of the letter, if the bubble is near or under the letter, because like this, the pinch that you have created, it will not be noticeable. But even on the bare plastic, transparent, without a map under, it will not be possible to see it, but just as a tip. And again, always slowly, very slowly. First, as here in the videos you can see, first you press slightly, unless that you are very sure that you have located the sticker very well, and you just go for it and you just press straight into it. Bear in mind, once you have pressed very much hard into it, if you need to kind of retake it and put it back again, could be difficult. So basically, go slowly at the beginning, slightly, and then go for it. So basically, there you go. That is an example, as you can see here. And the other, which is the other side, is more or less the same. Slowly, patience, you place the sticker. First, you press lightly, and after, you go for it. When you realize the sticker is in the right position. And that's it. Thank you again very much. Any doubts, follow into BMWworldstickers.com as well for more GS models that we supply. And as an explanation, you will always have or doubts that you could like to share, and we are always happy to help you.